What is up, guys? Back with another unboxing. It's a large mailbag today. Just getting right into it. Oh, cool. Okay, it's the ceramic knives I ordered. Nice. It's got, the box is actually kind of nice. It's got like a little magnetic clip. Get a couple of these knives out. Of course, you have the ceramic peeler. It's pretty nice looking. Going for the chef's knife first. All the knives have this little sheath on it, and almost sounds like metal, but I mean they're ceramic. Pretty awesome looking. Just get a couple more out. This box is too big for my desk. I got all kind of stuff off in front of me. But yeah, man, they look freaking awesome. It doesn't look like just ceramic though. It looks like metal, but they're supposedly ceramic. I don't know if all the other ceramic stuff looks like metal like this. It's got a sheen to it like it's metal. It may just be ceramic coated. I'm not actually sure. Yeah, I just found one of my magnets, and just to show you guys the difference between, they look so much alike. The difference between steel and ceramic. So it's not magnetic at all, whereas the stainless steel just automatically magnetizes. So that's pretty awesome. Just a little thing I wanted to test out real quick. But all this stuff looks awesome though. Little paring knife. Yeah, do I have some stuff to cut? This. Here's this. Ooh. It's pretty sharp. Where'd I put the sheath? Oh gosh. Yeah, man, these are pretty awesome. I think I paid like $10 for this little set. Like find it like the store like Walmart and Roses, I think, sell like one ceramic knife for like $20. I got a whole box of them for 10. That's a pretty good deal. Yeah, these are awesome. If you guys enjoyed this content, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.